This is the ESP32-C3 Super Mini. It's incredibly powerful, but its tiny size makes wiring a nightmare. That's where this comes in, the dedicated expansion shield. This board breaks out every single pin into organized, color-coded headers. You get dedicated rails for signal, voltage, and ground, making sensor integration instant. Meet the ultimate portable brain, the ESP32-C3 Super Mini. I'm docking it into this custom expansion board to turn it into a standalone IoT node. To start the build, I'm using this 1.3-inch OLED. It's great for prototyping because the larger display makes debugging easy while we're testing our I2C bus on GPIO 6 and 7. Final verification of the hardware stack is complete. We've successfully integrated the ESP32-C3 Super Mini with its dedicated expansion board and a 0.96-inch OLED. We've reached the final stage of the build, true power independence. By utilizing the onboard JST connector on our expansion board, we've integrated a 3.7-volt lithium polymer battery directly into the system. The hardware tells the story first. A blue LED confirms the charging circuit is active. But the real beauty is in the software sync. I've mapped this power state to our 0.96-inch OLED, utilizing the yellow phosphor zone for a dynamic battery telemetry overlay. This is the core benefit of using a dedicated expansion board for the ESP32-C3. It handles the complex LDO regulation and battery management, allowing us to focus on the IoT application.